Morning. Um, I have learned over the last few days that AP Physics is going to change its setup, and it looks like probably only free response questions on some sort of at-home test. Um, Luckily, we have completed all units that will be required for the test. There will be no optics or quantum, atomic, or nuclear physics on the test. So what does count will be fluids, thermodynamics, electrostatics, circuits, magnetism, and EMI, which is good because we've done that a lot, and I think you guys are starting to understand that stuff and how it goes together. That being said, we'll still have our review sessions. Today is Monday, so there's one today after school at 3:30. If you check the progress checks and the form I sent out last night, you can sign up for that one. And if you can't sign up for that one, you look into signing up for the one on Thursday at 3:30. Today's review session will be on thermodynamics. But the rest of this video is, well, obviously you're looking on a website now that I've set up for you over the weekend. And I think I want to ask you guys to do something a little different. I don't know what will be coming down the pipe. None of us do. But you've all been trained in a lot of physics, and you have good minds and logical abilities. So, furthermore, I think I want us to work on the possibility of a medical ventilator. This is right up our alley. This is about fluids. This is about circuitry. This is about pressure, electricity, circuitry, power controls, and so on. And so I am now setting forth you into the lab groups that you see below on this website, and I want you to start researching on how to build a medical ventilator out of materials that we might be able to find from local suppliers in the area. This is going to be a full-on project through the end, and with the goal of actually trying to produce something that would be useful to Monterrey, Mexico, and maybe even the world if we come up with something that can be put out there. So I know there's some stuff online already, and so I want you guys to start breaking into your groups, create Google Meets or Zoom videos and so on for yourselves to break the problem down into the pieces that I've given you in the website, and start doing your research. One of the big things about this project, this is going to be your lab grade. So one of the big things about this project is communication. You're going to want to communicate. This is not a competition. The teams are there simply to come up with different ideas and work on different things, but it is not a competition. So I want you to communicate with each other as much as possible, and with me. Anything you come up with, I will dump into this website, any resources for everyone else, and we'll meet during the protected times to talk about those different options and so on. But ultimately, yes, I want you to look at how to make a medical ventilator, because I think we're going to need them.